Have you ever invested with Stashaway and wondered, can I actually cancel my account if I need to? Well, you're in the right place because that's exactly what we're diving into today. Stashaway is a popular investment platform offering a convenient way to start investing, especially for beginners. But life throws curveballs, right? Maybe you need to access your funds urgently, or perhaps your investment goals have changed. Whatever the reason, knowing how to cancel your Stashaway account is crucial. Addressing the main topic, can you cancel Stashaway at any time? The short answer is yes, you can cancel your Stashaway account at any time. However, it's important to understand the process and any potential implications. Cancellation process. Log into your Stashaway account. This is the first step. Locate the account settings or support section. Look for options like account closure, cancel account, or deactivate account. Follow the on-screen instructions. Stashaway will likely have a specific process to follow. This might involve submitting a request, confirming your identity, and potentially answering a few questions. Understand the withdrawal process. Once you initiate the cancellation, you'll need to withdraw your funds. Stashaway will have a process for this, which may involve selling your investments and transferring the proceeds to your linked bank account. Important considerations. Withdrawal time. Keep in mind that withdrawing your funds may take some time. Market fluctuations can impact the value of your investments, and the withdrawal process itself might take a few business days. Early withdrawal penalties. Some investment products might have early withdrawal penalties. If you're invested in such products, it's crucial to review the terms and conditions carefully before canceling. Tax implications. Withdrawing your investments may have tax implications. Consult with a qualified financial advisor to understand the tax consequences of your withdrawal. Alternative options. Instead of completely canceling your account, you might consider alternative options. Temporarily suspend your investments. Some platforms allow you to temporarily suspend your investments without closing your account. This can be a good option if you need to pause your contributions for a while. Reduce your contribution amount. You can adjust your contribution amount to a lower level or even pause contributions altogether. This allows you to maintain your investment strategy while reducing your exposure. Final thoughts. Canceling your Stashaway account is a personal decision. Carefully weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you're unsure about anything, reach out to Stashaway's customer support for clarification. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.